Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to change your lock pin on the Paysera application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. After that, click on the settings button in the upper left corner of the screen. Then scroll down to the settings section and click on the third option, which is privacy and security. After that, scroll down to the lock screen section and click on change lock pin, which is the first option. Enter your current passcode. And then you should enter the new one. Now it has been set, so whenever you open the application you will be required to type in your passcode. So that's pretty much it for this video guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.